Hello, everybody. I should say good afternoon, good night. I'm going to go over real quick what the lab was. Had a bunch of questions, just in case you have some questions a little bit later. This may help you. So as you can see on this, on your work for today, it starts off by having the geological history of New York State. It's a diagram interpretation. You're going to be coloring, and then you are going to take a picture and upload it with your lab today. So the first thing it says is time divisions. What you're going to do is you need to open up right here to your reference table. You're going to use 8 and 9. It's the middle two. And the first thing it says is identify and use a gray pencil to color the column that contains eons. Well, that one is right here. It says eon. You color that whole thing in gray. If you don't have a gray colored pencil or crayon, you can lightly color in with a pencil. Next one is purple. Purple for era. That is just the 3 little spots right here. You can't really color in down there. You could try, but it really doesn't work. Next, the period is blue. Then you have pink underlining the 3 periods of the Mesozoic. Oh, sorry, I missed the brown. Brown for the epoch. So the period for the Mesozoic. Mesozoic says right here. Then you have Cretaceous, Jurassic, and Triassic. You underline those with the pink. And then on the second part, you have evolutionary and geological events. You are going to color in red the, important events, which is right here. All of those, you color them in red. Green, all of the stuff about life on Earth, which is back on page 8. You color all that green. I did it really, really light so that you can read. Make sure you can do it so you can read, because you've got to use these a little bit later. Let's see. The next one says light blue. For the fossils. So light blue, all of this stuff right here. That's all going to be blue, light blue. And then light green for, oh, I missed it. Any areas that you did not color so far, you got to color yellow. So that means this stuff right here and this little tiny bit of the New York rock record. And then you find Coelophysis and Mastodon and color the dots in. Oh, sorry. It was supposed to be light blue. So you could light blue the whole bottom part right like that. And right down there, you light blue all of it. And then on just the letters, for the Mastodon, you do green. For the Coelophysis, you do green, right as there. And then you find them over here. Mastodon is up here. Coelophysis is right here. You color those in green. The next part you have, during which period does the fossil record indicate the beluga whale first appeared or evolved? Looking at this, beluga whale right here, sorry, right there. So you look for the O. The O is all the way up here. It first came right in that part. And why you have it booklet style. You pull it all the way over and it tells you right over there what the year approximate or what period. So the period looks like to be like Pliocene. So I helped you on that one. Just follow the rest. Follow them down. The next thing you need to worry about is when you are done with everything, you are going to upload this. So I was told, I don't have it on here because I don't have what you guys see. But say you are in period 4, you go to your classwork, you click on the landscapes. Mine's not working the way yours says. So if you were to double click on it, you would see all of these. I apologize. All these references, all these videos, you would see those. And then up in the corner over here, you would see something that says what your assignments. Right underneath your assignments, which you would find your name and the doc, you would find create or add. That's where you're going to upload your photo. You're going to take a picture with your camera, and then you're going to send it to yourself via email, get it on Google Docs or something on your computer, and then you can upload it from there. I wish I could show you real quick, but that is how you do it. If you can't do it that way, once you get your pictures onto your computer or in your email, you can always go and you can go into, like, say, the bottom of this, click on the very bottom, and then let me raise this up. If you go to insert, you can do image, upload from your computer. You can put it right onto the lab. So there's 2 ways of putting it on there. If you guys have any questions about tonight, let me know.